Hi everyone. So today I am back on the Dams Daily YouTube channel for a very special reason. And what is that? I have brought a surprise for all my bachas today. A surprise that you're going to really be thankful for. Do you know what is in this box? So now I'm going to unbox this for you and let's see what we have. So I'm very excited to unbox a surprise for all of you today. So what is this surprise that DAMS is bringing for you? What can it be close to the exams? So I think you guessed it right. I'm going to unbox your ultimate 20th copy. So this is the first look into the DVT workbook. It is going to have all that you need for revision close to the exam. So DVT is a workbook that will contain all images which are going to be labeled. It will have graphs which are important for the upcoming exams. It would also have flowcharts and algorithms so that when you face clinical questions, you have a concise, crisp way of answering them as to what is next step and what is to be done. The book is specially made in the workbook format. So if you see there are going to be empty spaces that you need to fill in during the session. So this ensures you're doing an active recall. You know what? The session itself is going to be a fun revision for you. So these are the kind of spaces that we will be giving to you in the workbook, and the teachers are going to direct you on what you need to fill in. Let's look at some of the other sections in the book. So the microbiology section would have the wonderful images that you need to identify in the IBQs. Along with that, the most important key points for the exam. We are going to make you ensure that you have the key things with you. So do you see how we have put in for you the most important key points for a particular topic? And yes, it will cover all the things that you need for the exam. So it will have instruments, it will have images, it will have radiological images, right? So it's all in there. It will also have images of gross specimens as you see. Now the DVT workbook is aimed at rapid revision. So we will make it in the easiest possible format for you to revise all 19 subjects in the most crisp and concise way. This is the first ever concept that anyone has brought in the 20th notebook, and it is based on active recall. So are you all excited to have your own copy of the 20th notebook? Yes, I am. Let's look at a few more sections and then let's just wait for your copy to reach you. So I hope you enjoyed the first look of your 20th copy, the ultimate revision notebook close to the exams. Now, what else should you know about the DVT workbook? So first, if you are a currently enrolled student with DAMS and your course is currently active, the DVT workbook is included free of cost for you. Yes. Now, what you need to know is that if you are a face-to-face center student, then you have to collect the workbook from your own center. For the satellite students, yes, what you need to do is you need to give your address and contact details at your respective satellite center. They will forward us the details and the books would be sent to you at your doorstep. Yes. Also for students who are enrolled with us in the online courses like the Ultimate App Live or the 3C course or the TND course, again, the DVT workbook will be sent to your doorstep. Now, for those who have enrolled separately for DVT through the app, please remember that the workbook is included free of cost provided you enrolled with us on or till 30th of November. After 30th of November, the workbook is not included as a part of your course, but yes, you can definitely purchase the book online from Amazon. But because of the high demand, we have limited copies available on Amazon, so it will be a first come first basis. Remember, it is a workbook, so you will be filling it up with us in the form of active recall, but yes, it has most of the content that you need already there. Okay, so now sit back tight and wait for your copy of the DVT workbook and be excited for the DVT sessions which are going to happen live at the Sri Fort Auditorium, New Delhi. Not just that, the sessions will be relayed live to you, so you can enjoy the fun of the live classes sitting where you are. So let's wait and let's rock the exams. As we say, we are in it to win it. At DAMS, we know what you need and we'll bring it to your doorstep.